Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel A Monk in Cloud. Basically, A Monk in Cloud is a community of people who are interested in learning cloud and DevOps, right? So as you've already seen the thumbnail, today we are going to discuss about a role specifically, which is called as developer advocate or evangelist, right? So we'll speak about everything and anything related to developer advocate, why we see that avocado symbol in front of all the developer advocates, and who are they, what will be their roles and responsibilities, right? So if you are looking for a developer advocate role, so make sure to subscribe to the channel because more content will be released on this channel related to cloud DevOps and developer advocate in future also, right? So let's get on to the video and discuss more about developer advocate. Okay, I know that you might have seen this symbol in front of every devrel or developer advocate or evangelist role on LinkedIn or any social media platforms or even a blog, right? So even I was wondering, and I just wanted to understand why do they use this particular emoji in front of their role as a developer advocate. So I got to know this one, the use of the avocado symbol in the developer advocate community is believed to have originated from the holy guacamole meme, which was popularized on social media in the early 2010s. Okay, so the meme featured an image of a sliced avocado with the words "Holy Guacamole" written in the bold letters. Right. So since then, the avocado has become a popular symbol among the developer advocates as a way to represent their passion for technology, right? Passion for technology and their love for food. The avocado symbol is often used in social media posts, blog posts, and conference swags as a way to identify and connect with other developer advocates. In addition to its popularity as a symbol, the avocado also represents the qualities that are valued in a developer advocate community, such as innovation can be, right? So if you see, most of the people work towards building community when they are in developer advocate role. Building a community requires a lot of innovation and creativity and adaptability. The avocado is also a healthy and versatile food which aligns with the value of many developer advocates who are passionate about promoting healthy work life balance and sustainable practices in the tech industry. So this is all about this emoji that we see here on this page. That's how it originated basically. Now let's understand who is a developer advocate. First time, let's understand whom do we call as a developer advocate, what is his role, right? So a developer advocate, who is also known as a developer evangelist, is a technical profession. He's a tech profession basically. He's a tech professional basically, right? So don't think that he's roaming here and there attending conference. No, he's actually a technical professional who represents a software company or a technological platform to developer community. Their primary roles is to engage with developers, right? So they engages with developers, build relationships and help them to be successful in using companies products and services. They actually help these developers. Let's say you are a company and you will have a devrel or a developer advocate, so he'll be working with the developers closely to help them understand how to use the product that the company has produced, right? So that will be his more main concentration. Developer advocates work closely with developers, answering their questions, providing technical support, need not be a technical support all the time, and gathering feedback on companies feedback, right? So companies products. So they also create and deliver technical content, right? So they will also produce some technical content. I've you know I know a few people who are in developer advocate role. So if you're looking for such opportunities, just let me know if you're interested, so I can forward your resume to them. Like, so they are hiring for 2 3 roles, a junior developer advocate and a senior developer advocate. So just let me know in the comments. Okay. So developer advocates acts as a bridge between the company and the developer. Right. So let's say this is your company and this is your developers who are making use of this product. So this developer advocates will be the bridge between them. So they act as a middleman, helping the company and the developers use the product, and they will get the feedback from the developers and bring it back to the company, so that we can improve on and we can fix all the other issues that might potentially be there, right? So that is the typical thing about developer advocates. Now let's discuss let's understand how a day with a developer advocate basically, right? So how his or her day will be if he or she is a developer advocate, right? So a typical day for a developer advocate can vary depending on the company or the product or and the stage of the development process, right? So however, some common activities of a developer advocate might engage in basically engaging with the developer community. So developer advocates spend a significant amount of time engaging with developers through online communities, social media, and developer events, right? So they answer question and answer, provide technical support, and gather feedback, and provide the feedback on the company's product. So they will also be involving themselves into producing some tech contents, right? So it can be on YouTube, or they can produce content on any other social media platform, right? So developer advocates create technical content such as blog posts, tutorial videos, and webinars to educate and inspire other developers. They may also create some sample codes, libraries, and plugins to help developers get through with the company's products, right? So one of my friend, or one of my colleague in the YouTube industry, Rishabh in cloud, he is working as a developer evangelist at Twilio. So if you're interested, so make sure to subscribe to his channel. So I give all credits to him, because he's one of my inspiration while creating this content, right? So they will also collaborate with cross-functional teams, right? So developer advocates work closely with cross-functional teams such as engineering, product management, and marketing to ensure that the company's products and services meet the needs of developers, right? So they also provide feedback on the product features and provide insights on the development or the developer trends and needs. And this is the cool thing that I like about the developer evangelist. So they will act as a representatives at the organizations, at an event, or it can be a conference, right? So they attend and speak at developer events such as conferences, meetups, and hackathons to represent the company and promote its product and services. They may also organize and host their own events to engage with the developers, right? So that would be their main focus. They would also participate in other activities. And staying up to date with the industry trends, basically developer advocates, they also need to update themselves with the latest industrial trends and technologies by reading blogs and posts, and attending events and engaging with other developers, right? So this helps them to stay informed and provide valuable insight to the company and the developer company, right? So developer bridge. So overall, day-to-day work of a developer advocate is focused on building relationships with the developer community, educating and inspiring developers, and advocating for their needs and interest within the company. Right now, you might ask me why developer advocates are important for any organization. What is the role? How are they, impacting the company and the developers? right? So we spoke about this. They build the relationships with the developers and the company, right? So they act as a bridge. They educate and inspire other developers. They gather the feedback and advocating for developers. Overall, I would say the developer advocate role plays a crucial role in establishing a positive relationship between the technological company and a developer community, which can lead to increased adoption, loyalty, and advocacy, right? So that's all I had to explain about the developer advocate. So if you are interested in becoming a developer advocate or a developer evangelist, as I told you, there are many positions open. If you're looking for this opportunities, just make sure to comment your interest in, so that I would be pinging you. Or you can also follow us on Instagram, and you can message there. So I would be sending the requirement, or how the CV of a developer evangelist or a advocate should look like. So based on that, you can prepare your resume and you can apply for the jobs, right? So that's it I had for today's video. If you're liking the content that I'm creating, please consider subscribing and share it among your friends. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Whatever we discussed on the video, if you wish to read it on a blog, we have come up with a blogging site, or a dev blog, dev.to. So you can visit this site and you can read the conversation that we had in this particular video, right? So see you there.